everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about organic compounds. I'll be talking about carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. So I'll also be explaining the chemical composition and the function of cholesterol, phospholipids, and triglycerides. Carbohydrates are used as the main energy source for animals and plants. Lipids are used to store energy for later usage. Proteins are used to control the rate of reactions and regulate processes. And they're also used to transport substances in and out of cells and fight diseases. The two carbohydrates that I'll be speaking of are the fructose and glucose. C6H12O6 is the molecular formula for glucose. Glucose is a monosaccharide or a simple sugar that is made of 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. Glucose is the body's main source of energy. Fructose is used as an energy fuel and for the synthesis of glycoproteins and glycolipids. C278-460 is the chemical composition for cholesterol. Cholesterol is a waxy substance that is present in blood and in all animal tissue. Chemically, cholesterol is an organic compound that belongs to the steroid family. One of the functions is to be a building block of the cell membrane. It also helps your body create hormone and vitamin D. Phospholipids consist of a glycerol molecule, 2 fatty acids, and a phosphate group that modifies alcohol. The chemical composition for this would be C39H7501P. The function of phospholipids is to provide barriers in the cellular membrane to protect the cell, and they make barriers for the organelles within those cells. Triglycerides are made up with 3 fatty acid chains attached to it. Fatty acids are long chains of carbon with hydrogen attached, making them nonpolar molecules. Triglycerides' function is to be the source for the body. They are stored in adipose tissue and can be broken down to release energy when needed to. They also help to insulate the body and protect vital organs. The building blocks of proteins are amino acids, which are small organic molecules that consist of alpha, also known as central. It also has carbon atom that is linked to an amino group, a carboxyl group, a hydrogen atom, and a variable component called a side chain. The functions would be to structural support. Some of the protein's functions would be hormones, enzyme building blocks, and initiators of cellular death. So for carbohydrates, as you can see in my picture, we absorb it through, food. It can be things like bread, apples, oranges, or strawberries, and other things. And then for protein, it would be things like meat, like right here is the chicken, or it could be shrimp. It could also be through milk, and then through fats, we also absorb that as well when we eat. It could be things like avocado, oil, butter, and things of that sort.